There's something you're trying to gauge in the long run, Pauline, is the consistency of GPs to their positioning in a way, or to their DNA. How did you test that? How do you introduce that in the conversation and in your diligence?
I think for us, we've been at LGT doing primary investments, secondaries, co-investments for 25 years. And so the amount of information that we gather is very large, whether it's data points or actual conversations that we log and refer to. And so one of the key things that we do when we diligence, whether it's on a primary or for a secondary opportunity, is how consistent has a GP been telling us what they would do 10 years ago, 5 years ago, and 6 months ago, and how does reality compare? If we see inconsistencies, that's for us one of the most difficult hurdles to get over and then complete any type of investments.
And in hard times, it's probably a temptation sometimes to lose focus, no?
Absolutely. I think one of the things we've seen, and Pauline's point's excellent. The data can tell you a lot, but it is more art than science sometimes. It isn't. It tells you a lot about where people have come from and their conviction of sticking to strategy, which is a critical lens through which to observe the capability. But it doesn't tell you everything. And I think understanding where the GP is going. Another thing that's come up a lot this week is actually, as the maturity of the European sort of market moving forward, succession planning, the alignment of the next generation of risk takers, where that GP is going to be in 5-10 years time, not where they've been in the last 5 to 10 years. So this is really important, I think, to use the data to improve decision making, but also apply that qualitative judgment and experience to understand what it tells you and how that success that may have been there in the past can be repeatable in the future. And that's a real art rather than a science.
Especially in a difficult environment that we're in, where things will not be the same as in the past.